What if I tell you that something you use every day, something that feels helpful and harmless, is quietly destroying millions of lives in America? What if the shiny plastic card in your wallet is not a symbol of freedom, but a carefully designed trap? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may never look at credit cards the same way again. In the United States, credit cards are everywhere. People swipe them for groceries, fuel, clothes, medical bills, even food deliveries. It feels normal, even smart. Buy now, pay later. No cash stress, no waiting. But behind this comfort, there's a dark truth that most people never talk about. And today on The Silent Truth, we are going to expose it. Before we go deeper, if you value honest stories that reveal hidden realities, take just 1 second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps this message reach more people who need to hear it. Now, imagine an average American family. They're not poor, they work hard, they follow the rules, they believe in the American dream. But every month, their income disappears, not because they're lazy, but because debt is silently eating them alive. Credit cards promise convenience, but what they actually deliver is dependency. Credit card companies don't make money when you pay on time. They make money when you don't. High interest rates are not an accident. Late fees are not a mistake. The entire system is built to keep people paying for as long as possible. A small purchase today can turn into years of payments tomorrow. Many Americans don't realize that credit card interest can be higher than 25%. That means if you carry a balance, you are paying more than double the original price over time. A $1,000 expense can quietly become $2,000 or even $3,000, and most people don't even notice because the minimum payment looks small and harmless. This is where the trap becomes psychological. Paying the minimum feels responsible. It feels like progress. But in reality, it barely touches the principal amount. You keep running, but you never move forward. Month after month, year after year, the debt stays. Credit cards also create a false sense of lifestyle. People spend money they haven't earned yet, trying to look successful. Vacations, gadgets, dining out, all charged to plastic. Social media shows smiles, but behind the scenes, anxiety is growing. Stress becomes normal, sleepless nights become common, and no one talks about it openly. Medical emergencies make it even worse. In America, one hospital visit can destroy a family financially. Many people survive the illness, but drown in credit card debt. Bills get divided across multiple cards, interest piles up, and suddenly, survival itself becomes expensive. What makes this darker is how early the system starts. Young adults get credit cards before they fully understand money. Students are taught how to swipe, not how to repay. One bad decision at 20 can follow someone until 40. Credit scores become chains. A low score means higher interest, higher deposits, fewer opportunities. Credit card companies call this risk management, but for ordinary people it feels like punishment for struggling. Miss one payment and everything becomes harder. Stress increases, mental health suffers, and relationships break under financial pressure. This is not just about money, it's about control. When you are in debt, your choices shrink. You can't quit a job you hate, you can't take risks, you can't breathe freely. Debt keeps people obedient, silent, and afraid. And that is the part no advertisement will ever show you. On The Silent Truth, we believe awareness is the first step to freedom. Credit cards are not evil by nature, but the way they are used and promoted creates a dangerous cycle. Convenience turns into addiction. Help turns into dependence. If this message is opening your eyes, pause for a moment and think. How many people around you are smiling but struggling? How many are trapped but silent? Near the end of this video, I want you to do something powerful. Share this video with someone who uses credit cards without understanding the full cost. Start a conversation, break the silence, and if you have your own experience with credit card debt, write it in the comments. Your story might help someone feel less alone. The truth is simple, but uncomfortable. Credit cards don't make you rich,
they make banks rich. Freedom doesn't come from spending more. It comes from understanding the system and choosing wisely. And once you see the truth, you can never unsee it. This was the silent truth. Stay aware, stay curious, and never stop questioning the systems that profit from your silence.